So the first thing I do is remove the blade from the plane. This is done by tapping the heel of the plane. So once the blade is removed from the plane, now it's time to flatten that sole. I use 220 grit sandpaper attached to a flat piece of granite. You can use glass or anything that's flat. After about 30 minutes of sanding, the sole is now flat. After the sole is flat, it's now time to clean the excess dirt and buildup from all those years of hard work this plane has surely seen. For this, I use solvent. I believe it's denatured alcohol with a red Brillo pad. After removing the dirt, I set aside the plane and focus on the blade. First, I begin by removing the excess rust. Once the bulk of the rust has been removed, I regrind the blade to a 25-degree angle. After setting the angle, I use my whetstones to get it razor sharp. Now it's time to make this old plane shine. I usually like to use either shellac or good quality flaxseed oil. In this case, I use shellac. I apply thin, even coats in 1-hour intervals. Here's the finished product after 4 coats of shellac. You can see it is quite shiny. I use fine quality steel wool to take the bulk of the shine away. Now it's time to test this reborn plane. Since it's a smoothing plane, we're looking for a nice light shaving with no dig-in. After a few adjustments, this plane works amazing. Here's a couple of before shots of the plane. In the after shots. With just a few hours worth of work and minimal materials, this old plane is truly alive, ready for another 40 years of honest work.